Welcome to W3SKILLSET, your global partner in data clarity, automation, and smarter decision-making. With 10 years of collective experience and over 9,000 Upwork hours, we deliver custom dashboards, advanced analytics, and automated business tools to teams around the world. At W3SKILLSET, we specialize in business intelligence dashboards, Power BI dashboards with custom DAX, Looker Studio reports connected to GA and BigQuery, Excel dashboards with VBA and automation, financial analysis reporting, PL and cash flow models, budget versus actual reports, integrations with Xero, QuickBooks, and more. Data analytics modeling, data transformation, forecasting, KPIs, unified views from multiple data sources. Automation low-code apps, Google Apps script tools, mobile apps with AppSheet, Excel VBA automations, automated alerts and report scheduling. We serve a wide range of industries: real estate, finance accounting, healthcare tech, e-commerce logistics, operations, HR leadership teams. Clients trust us for scalable custom solutions, business-first thinking, on-time delivery, full post-handoff support, transparent communication, and proactive ideas. Whether you need a dashboard, a mobile app, or a full data solution, W3SKILLSET is here to empower your workflow. Message us today and let's build something smart together.